We are starting chapter 6 in the book Starting Out with Java, and we are solving the second problem in the chapter in the programming challenges. This programming challenge is called InventoryItem Class Copy Constructor. So basically what they want us to do is to make a copy of this object. We have to create a constructor of this class, which then makes a copy of itself. So what we would do is we would create a constructor inventory item, and then we have to give an argument, the object as an argument, inventory item. Then they say we have to make a copy of it itself. So the description would be the inventory item description. Unities would be inventory item unities. So this constructor would make basically a copy of itself, of the class, a copy of the class. So if we go back to our class, which is the inventory class copy, a constructor, we will create a main method, and we will create an inventory item object. Let's say item 1, new inventory item, and the inventory item class takes a couple of arguments. It has different kind of constructors. It has overloaded constructors. The first constructor doesn't take anything. The second constructor takes a description only. The second constructor takes the description and the unities. So it has three constructors, but their arguments is different. So what we were gonna use this constructor. We're gonna use this constructor, which is we have to give the description and we have to give the unities. So we will say, let's say hammer, and the unit is sold, let's say 20, or we have 20 units for sale. Then you would say item 1. Then we have to say description. Then item 1 get description. The unities, item 1 get unities. Then we have to give a space. Then we have to make a copy of this object using the constructor we just created. You will say inventory item and say copy equal new inventory item, and this would take as an argument this object, which is item 1. We will give it item 1 as an argument. Then we will say item 1 copy. Then we will say description, item 1 get description, unities, item 1 get unities. So let's see how it runs. Let's run it. As you can see, the first thing it prints the item 1. The description is hammer. The unit is 20. and the item 1 copy, which copies this entire object, print is the same thing, hammer and 20. How about if we change the unities? Will it copy also or no? Let's say we have a unities of 99, and let's run it again. As you can see, it copied. Item 1, the hammer is the same, and units are the same. So that would be it for this programming challenge. I will post it in my GitHub account, both classes, this one and the other class, inventory item, so that you can study and refer to it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.